Little trip to the Acropolis. After class, a friend and I took the train into the city center to see this monumental historical site. As a former Percy Jackson nerd, I personally have been waiting to visit this site for eons. Not only is it one of the must-see sites, but it also holds such intriguing history. It was once a temple constructed for Athena, who, as we know, is the namesake for Athens. It is located at one of the highest points in Athens, so the view of the city is incredible from the hill. During our time exploring the Parthenon, it was currently under reconstruction in order to preserve the remains of the temple. It was incredibly disheartening to see the state that it was in, and comparing it to the reconstructed images presented within the museum located across the street, it showed a depiction of the original Parthenon before destruction due to war and conflict, and it was absolutely stunning. This is a must-see location for sure. This location can actually be accessed from either the Monasteriaki or Acropolis stations, which are situated nearby. Tickets were reasonable as well. I think I bought mine online before arriving, and I actually purchased them through a service titled Get Your Guide. The site is super easy to use, and it has quite a lot of excursions to explore. I think I paid around $14 for my ticket, so that wasn't bad. Overall, this was an unforgettable evening. I was really excited to go. I actually went just before the cutoff because we did have a historical heat wave, and there were times when they shut down the Acropolis for a specific amount of hours due to the high temperatures, as it wasn't safe for people to go. So I went just before that, and I was really excited that I was able to see it in time. I don't ever think I'll forget one of the moments when I first arrived in the city. I was sitting in an Uber going somewhere downtown, and I saw the Acropolis from the distance. It was so surreal, and it was incredible.